Hello everyone and welcome back to lesson 3 in your introductory course. This is the platform charts and price data. Let's get right into it. So the COMEX Pro platform is a fully integrated platform and includes multiple charting, trade execution and management modules. We have on the platform multiple charting options to suit your needs, an execution model which includes market depth, level 2, buy and sell buttons, and the executed trades list. The open positions manager, this displays all current active positions, and the order manager, this shows active orders, and we'll speak more about orders soon in the coming lessons. So let's talk about charting, and this is just basic charting. For simplicity, we'll show you how to set up the standard candlestick chart, and this can be customized to your liking as much as you want. But to get you started and up to speed, we'll show you the basics in this lesson and give more information as we go along in the course. So to start, when you load up your platform, you'll already have a chart that looks quite similar to the one you're seeing on the left. So on the chart, you'll see several data points. You'll see the toolbar display. This includes the ticker, the time frame, which says 5 minutes, the type of chart, or the candlestick in this case, the amount of data it will display, and more chart editing tools. So if we go to our example, the ticker, you'll see EQ, which stands for equities, and AMZN, that is the ticker for Amazon. Then you'll see time equal 5M, which means 5 minutes. Then to the right of that, you'll see the type of chart, which is candlesticks. To the right of that, you'll see 5 days, which means it is displaying 5 days of 5-minute candlesticks data. Then you'll see the actual candlesticks. These are 5-minute candles as we've selected in our toolbar display, and this will also include both pre-market and post-market data, and that's covered by the gray transparent box to the left and right of the center of the chart. And then you have the regular trading hours, which are 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. and that is the data in between those two. Then you have the price scale. To the right of the chart on the y-axis, as the market trades, this scale will show various price points relative to where the stock is trading, along with the highlighted trading price, which is in this case denoted by the yellow line. You can see it's at 153.99 cents. Then you have the volume bars. This is displayed at the bottom of the chart, showing the volume of the shares traded in each candlestick color-coded in red and green. Then finally, you have the time data. This is below the volume bars on the x-axis of the chart, and that gives you the time of day based on how you set your clock and showing you each and every step of the way. Now let's talk about the various types of price data and the execution module. There are two types of price data displayed on the module. The first one, we have level 1 data. This includes basic intraday data of the last transaction price, open price, highs and lows, as well as volume of the ticker that it is representing. Then you have level 2 data. This includes more in-depth data about the buyers and the sellers in the market. It shows the live order book for instruments on offer and current bids for the instrument, as well as the trade execution level. In the example we have on the right, we have Amazon, which the ticker is AMZN. And then if we look in the red box, you'll see the level 1 data highlighted. Very straightforward and also labeled in the module. And then we have level 2 data in the yellow box. All the buyers and sellers shown in the level 2 are posting limit orders to buy or sell at different price levels. On the left hand side of the level 2, we have the first line of buyers, and they're bidding to buy 200 shares of Amazon at a price of 152.18 cents. This is called the bid price for a stock. While on the right hand side, the first line of sellers are asking or offering 400 shares for sale, and that is at a price of $152.19. This is also called the ask or the offer. Importantly, you may notice a price gap between the sellers, the higher price in the right column, and the bidders, the lesser price in the left column. This is called the bid-ask spread, or sometimes just the spread. The spread is not fixed and can change at any time. It may narrow during more liquid and active trading times of the day and widen in less active and less liquid times of the trading day. We spoke about pre-market and post-market. These are usually associated with lower liquid times and as such have wider bid-ask spreads. Versus cash trading, which is from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m., those will often have the tightest spreads of the day. And then lastly, the source beside each order represents the market makers through which orders are being submitted. Let's now move on. So there are some other features of the execution module which you'll continue to see us use and expose you to as the course goes on. First off, you have quick linking to the chart. You want to use the color circle at the top left to link to any chart of your platform. For example, in our screenshot, the color is red. In order to match a chart, you want to select red as well on the charts toolbar and they will be linked. Then you have the buy and sell or short buttons. These were at the bottom of the module. These execute the order types as selected. Again, we'll talk more about order types in the next lesson. So another type of data that you'll be exposed to in your trading platform is time and sales data. What is this? Every executed trade, whether via limit or market orders, will be shown on the time and sales list. The time and sales list stays true to its name. It's showing the time, size, and price of all the transactions. As these transactions are printed, you'll start to see the sizes on the level 2 change given the shares that are changing hands. Traders often use this and the level 2 data to assess the importance of a price point by monitoring the number and kind of transactions that happen at specific levels. If you look at our example on the right, you'll see the symbol, which is AMZN, the price, the size, and the time. You may also notice color coding. This is intentional. Blue indicates that the corresponding ticker was traded at the ask or above. Red indicates that the corresponding ticker was traded at the bid or below. And white labels indicate that the corresponding option was traded between the bid and the ask. So now to just show you some other parts of your module. You have the Open Positions Manager, and this displays all current active positions. As you can see in the screenshot above, you can see that we have a Tesla or TSLA as a ticker long for 100 shares, and that was opened at a price of $255.24 and is currently trading in a profit at $255.40. Next, we have the working orders column, and you can see in our screenshot that this order manager shows us the active orders including stop losses, take profits, and limits. And this is a fast and effective way to manage your orders all in one place, as well as live orders. So that's all for this lesson. We'll speak more about orders and how to use them in the next lesson. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.